Just over a week ago, OnePlus Watch 3 made an appearance on the BIS certification website. The model number closely resembles that of the OnePlus Watch 2, leading us to believe this is indeed the anticipated OnePlus Watch 3. Recently, it popped up in another database, confirming it will pack a 500 mAh battery, just like its predecessor. There are also rumors that it might feature Qualcomm's upcoming Snapdragon Wear W 5 Gen 2. There have been some rumors about OnePlus delaying the release of the Watch 2's successor. However, the new smartwatch has just popped up at a Chinese regulator's office, right after getting the green light from BIS in India and TÜV Rheinland in Germany. This new listing reveals some juicy details we've been waiting for. First off, the specs. The new smartwatch will come with a robust 500 mAh battery. But that's not all. It also supports LTE connectivity through an eSIM, GPS for all your navigation needs, and NFC for those quick and easy contactless payments. Pretty cool, right? But here's where it gets even more exciting. The TAF listing gave us a sneak peek at the OnePlus Watch 3, which is certified under the model number OPWW234. While the new model sticks to the round display and familiar button layout of the Watch 2, OnePlus has made some subtle design tweaks to keep things fresh. As for the official announcement from Oppo or OnePlus, we're still in the dark. But stay tuned, we'll keep you updated with the latest news as soon as it drops. That's all for today's update. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech news. See you next time.